Morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this VEDA 27? I wanted to talk to you guys today about earthquakes. Southern California has had over 15 earthquakes yesterday, ranging anywhere from 0.5 to 5.5, and it's right below the Salton Sea, near El Centro, California, down in that district. That's right on the fault line. And as the earthquakes were happening, the earthquakes were moving up the fault line. It was putting a strain on the fault line. Also yesterday, they had earthquakes in like the Dominican Republic. They had earthquakes. They had one this morning, which was a 7.3 earthquake in El Salvador, just off the coast. I tell you folks, with this planet system coming in called Nibiru, we are in for trouble. You haven't seen nothing yet. As this planet system gets closer and closer, it's putting more and more and more strain on our planet. This is normal. This is what they've predicted. So, the only thing I can say is hold on for the ride. Now, some people on my YouTube channel don't believe that there is a Nibiru or Planet X, whatever you want to call it. There has been too much studies proven otherwise, that yes, it does exist. There was a man that got shut down on YouTube. He was a friend of the CIA, and they've known about it for years, and they've been watching it through telescopes. Right now the planet can be seen in Antarctica, the South Pole. It's coming up from that way. One of the planets, I might say. This planet system has 7 planets, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, in this system. So there's more to come. If you've noticed the moon, it's slanted a little bit different because of the gravitational pull that this other system is put on. It's not in the same orbit that it should be. It's a little lower. If you'll notice that, look at from previous years, you'll see that the orbit has changed just a little bit. That's due to the fact that we're tilting a little bit different, and that's why our weather is so odd. This year I'm predicting we're going to have major storms, major hurricanes like you've never seen before, a lot of them. And I think you're going to see a lot of tropical storms in odd places, and you're just going to see a lot of earthquakes. Like I said, you haven't seen nothing yet. This is my opinion. I think that since Nibiru is coming in, the closest that planet will be here, it'd be December the 21st of 2012. That's when the Mayan people said that it would be here. Well, let me back that up. Something will be here. Something happens on that day because the calendar stops. Some of the experts saying that something's going to happen to our sun. I think something major is going to happen. Either we're going to know that ET's here, something major is going to happen, and it's going to shock the world. So get ready for it. Can you imagine though if the Earth flips? What that would do to Earth? It would tear us apart. It would tear the continents apart. Has it happened before? According to the Hopi Indians, they say yes. I don't know. I wasn't here that long ago. I'm not that old yet. But only thing as I can tell you guys is to hold on for the ride, because it's going to be massive. It's going to be massive. People die, in my opinion. Like the Georgia Guidestone says, 500 million people is going to die. So who knows? I'm not an expert. I'm not claiming to be an expert, but I am claiming that there is a planet coming in the system. The Bible calls it wormwood. Some people say wormwood is a spice. That's not true. It's a star. They talk about it in the book of Revelation, that wormwood is supposed to kiss our ocean, cause death of destruction of our oceans. Let's just wait and see. Is that coming? Who knows? Yes, it is true. We do not know when the day of God comes for judgment. We don't know that. We don't know when that time comes. I'm not saying judgment days here. I'm saying Armageddon is coming. You know, it's like, it's not going to be an asteroid that destroys us. It's going to be another whole system. So it's going to take out a lot of people. It's done it before. Proven fact that they found a civilization that had an atomic blast. We used to have an atomic energy before. What did we do? Blow ourselves up? Good question, isn't it? I watched that series on Ancient Aliens about that. Quite interesting. It's like a lot of people don't understand. In Peru, there's a Stargate. Yeah, SG-1? Yeah, no, it's a Stargate. It's on top of a mountain. The people there, they worship that Stargate because they watched a guy go through it and leave. He had a device that he stuck on the gate itself, and he took it with him. That's on Ancient Aliens. If you don't believe me, watch the series. I think it's the first year. Ancient Aliens. Watch the series. Get it on Netflix. It's quite interesting what you'll learn on that show. This is all scientific facts. It's not made up. Okay? Not like you see on the internet with people falsifying, making UFOs, you know, Photoshop crap. You know, it's hard to trust the internet. People, they like to make things up. I'm not making things up. Nibiru and the Earthquakes. You ain't seen nothing yet. And look how many earthquakes. Go to the geological site, the earthquake site, and look how many freaking earthquakes they are in 24-hour period. It's getting more, and more, and more. The more this planet comes in towards our system, the stronger the earthquakes are. Check it out. It's the same thing like I reported the other day, that there's more and more UFOs being seen because of this planet system coming in. Go back through their history. the further that planet was, the less UFOs they seen. Give an example. In 1977, 4 UFOs were seen in a month. Now there's over 800. So what's the difference here? The difference is this planet's getting closer and closer and closer. The closer it gets, the more they are of them. They have a lot of people that have these flying machines. I would like to have one land right here in my friggin' backyard. I'd go knock on it and say, hey, open up. Greetings from Earth. Did you know there's a known law? There's a very, I should say, unknown law. It's illegal in the United States to contact ET. That's right. One landed in my backyard. I would not be allowed by law to talk to that creature. Yeah, right. I tell go the law, tell to go jump in the lake. Can you imagine meeting one of those people? How fascinating that would be. They have to have the knowledge to more than what we have here on Earth. Be amazing to know what their history is and how they lived. Nothing to be afraid of them. Why be afraid of something that's not going to hurt you? If they have that kind of technology to go from one planet to another, or from one star system to another, don't you think they would have the knowledge to destroy this planet 3 times over? Yeah, they would. Yeah, they would. They haven't done it. They've been seen for years. They haven't destroyed Earth yet. They've abducted some people, they say, to experiment, to get to know us, get to know what we are. Yeah, they've done that. I wouldn't be afraid of that. I'd go walk into their machine. I'd love to learn. I'd ask them if I could take it around the block, you know. Okay, gang, I'm going to call this a good video for the 27th of August. Wow, this month's almost gone already. Coming up to Labor Day. Guys, be safe if you're going out for Labor Day. A little bit less smoke today. Woohoo. Supposed to cool off again on Wednesday. Got a front coming through, maybe some rain. That'd be nice. Okay, take care and see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.